Hi students, it's Miss McCarty, and today we're going to talk about how we can explore the library catalog and how you do that from at home or in your classroom or even in the library when you have your Chromebook is you're going to go to BConnect Junior. Then we're going to go to the library catalog icon right here. See where the books are? Library catalog, click on that. Then we're going to go to elementary schools. So we're going to select elementary school, which is this first tab. Go down to O.A. Fleming Elementary. And this is something you can show your parents as well. Remember that O.A. Fleming Elementary will be Freeport Elementary soon. Then we're going to go to the kids catalog. Now what the catalog is a thing that we can look at to show us every book that is in the library. So I'm looking through here and I'm going to see what's of interest to me. So frogs are standing right there, so let's click on frogs. Wow, look at all the selections that we have. So we have some in Spanish, we have some in English, we have nonfiction, and we have, this will show us the AR level. So our school is pre-K, kindergarten, and 1. So a lot of kids at the first of the year are not reading at 4.8. So the red-eyed tree frog might be a better choice. AR 1.3. If I click on that, it shows me the shelf location, which is an early reader under COW. It's checked in. That means it's going to be there. And this gives me a little bit of detail on what is on this book. So I'll click off. Now all these that I can see it says nonfiction, nonfiction, early reader, nonfiction. Does any look like there's fiction book? Doesn't look like it. Looks like we all have nonfiction books. So let's go back to the catalogs. And so instead of looking at the icons of all the different things that there could be, I'm going to type in car. C-A-R. Go to the search bar and click. Now, look at this. Do you see how this says it's out? That means that book is not available to check out. But here we have books all the way through. Here's nonfiction. Some of this might have cars in it, or see Carrots has that. So let's click on that Indy Cars. Look at the details. Okay, so another thing we can look at is this down here. It says series, chapters, and books. Click on that. And we can look for some books that we might have read before or might have been in a series that we think, oh, it's so great. Look, Elephant and Piggy. I love Elephant and Piggy. I'm going to click on there. And these are books by Mo Willems, probably, or something like it. So I'm going to look through here. And if I click on this arrow, it'll show me all the books for the results. It says 32 results for Elephant and Piggy. See, we have the English and the Spanish version of Waiting is Not Easy. Let's go for a drive. Now we are in a book, so I can look at this and it says AR level 0.9. Click on it. And this gives me the summary of what is in the book. The summary is what the details are. And there's 2 books that we have, and they're both checked in. So remember, you can look through the catalog and explore the categories. And by clicking on any picture, you can type in something or the series books or chapter books. I'm going to do one last thing. 37 results for Princess. Now, this is a very popular book. We can look at the fiction titles. I don't know if there would be any nonfiction books. There might be. And this is all books that have something to do with princesses. And don't forget to look at the AR level. Thanks for sharing this time with me. Happy reading!